If you want to know more about me, you should watch this video. So, my name is Marsha Leviathan. Some people recognize in Roblox as the other Marsha. I don't know which Marsha, but someone ever recognized me as the other Marsha that's famous. I don't know who, okay? No, I don't know. And then, my favorite color is actually white. Some of you will say that white is not a color, so if it's not white, I would choose like a lightish gray or like a baby blue. For my age, actually, I'm still in grade 3, so I'm technically 8 years old. Most of my friends are older than me because my birthday is at October. But some of my friends are actually younger than me, but